We love sharing good news, so when one of our customers says something great about us and experiences our 5-star customer service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say.
Austin at Quality has been taking care of my lawn for several years, and it has never looked better. He calls and lets me know when he will be coming, and I appreciate the advance notice.
We value our customers, new and old. Whether you're brand new or you've been through our doors before, we'd like the chance to earn your business all over again. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.